Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to send files to your team members on the Connecteam application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the chat button down below, which is the third option, click on team chat, and now tap on this file button next to the type a message box down below. So click on it and then tap on file, which is the sixth option. You can attach files from your gallery or from your files. Tap on the relevant option, and now you should click on a document that you would like to forward. Click on it. You should wait a few seconds till it is downloaded, and after that you will be able to forward it to your teammates. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.